If you previously added a new page, what you need to do is add it to the menu system on the site. By the menu system I mean the navigation, so which will appear just in the drop down there on the main navigation, or when you go into an actual section itself, down the right hand side of the page as well. So what you need to do to add a new page that you've created to the menu system is on the left hand side of the admin you've got the option of appearance. Under the option of appearance you'll notice there's an option called menus. If you select on menus, what you'll notice is that you've got the menus tab up now. What you see along the top there is all the different sections of the website. So you'll see for a start you've got the test main navigation. So if you select the tab test main navigation, you'll see that this is basically what you see down the left hand side of the website. So this is basically like a tree diagram of how the site's structured together. So you've got about us and then the drop down, because it's tabbed in, that means it comes from the drop down, who we are, referral, perform. So basically on the site, when you go to the About Us, you've got the Who We Are and the referral form in that section. You've got the training and employment support and solutions as well. What you'll also notice is throughout the site is you've got a number of different pages at the top here called training, support, solutions, employment, contact us and about us. These other tabs, other than the main test navigation, are what appears on the right hand side of the page. So this element just here on the training one, for example. So this menu system is log into the menus page, hit training, and then you've got your the pages. So at the minute there's training, customers and parent carers, professional employers, schools and colleges on the site. That's exactly the same and in that running order. So first of all, if you wanted to rename one of the links that's on there, if you select the drop down menu you'll see it expand and you've got something called the navigation label. So whatever you type in there will appear on the website. So if I wanted to call that training tess and hit save in the top corner, if you go back to the site, what you need to do is always refresh the page once you've made a change in the CMS, because then it needs to just sort of like reread it. So now you'll see it says training test rather than training on the site itself. So I'll just put that back to how it was. If you wanted to change the running order, so you wanted training to be at the bottom underneath schools and colleges, what you can do with this element here is actually click and drag down the system as well. Again, once you've done any changes, just remember to hit the save menu option. Once you've hit save menu, if you go back to the site, hit the refresh button, and what you'll see is trainings at the bottom of the list. So it's just a simple drag and drop facility. So we'll put it back to the top of the page. If you wanted to make any of the pages subcategory pages, all you need to do is move the actual item left and right. If I just move it to the right slightly, it just tabs it in. So that basically makes saying customer and parent carers a sub page of the training main page, if that makes any sense whatsoever. If you've created a new page and want to add a new page to that list, down the left hand side of the main window you've got the option of pages. So if you select pages, view all, that'll actually should give you all the pages that are on the website. So for example, say if we wanted to put the referral form onto the training sub-menu, what we need to do is select referral form, click add to the menu, and you'll notice it appears in the main window. So what you'll notice that we need to do is we need to change the navigation label first of all. So we need to add the chevron in there. And what we want to do is I want the referral form to be right at the top. So I'll just drag and drop it, hit save menu. You'll always know that update has taken hold when it's highlighted in yellow. Go back to the main website, hit the refresh button, and what you'll see is the referral forms at the top there. It's as simple as that. If you want to remove a page, it works in exactly the same way. You select your page, and at the bottom there you've got the option to remove it from that section. Once you've removed it, always remember to save the menu on the right hand side. So that's basically how it works. So if you think of the tabs at the top of the screen here as your individual sections, and on the right hand side Your main test navigation is your left-hand side navigation on the site, and you won't go far wrong. You have got some options to add the Facebook tags and categories and also custom links to the site if you want as well, but I think that's a little bit in a sort of like in the future, if you like. So what we can do is once you get, if you wanted a news section to the website and post up news, we can actually integrate a news category system into the templates.